Here's how to draw position versus time graphs in physics. So a lot of times you'll be given some sort of word problem, such as this one, where a dog is on a rocket accelerating towards the moon. 4 seconds after taking off, the rocket engines run out of fuel. It then takes another 2 seconds for the dog to reach a maximum height of 25 meters before the dog deploys a parachute to fall back down to the earth at a constant speed for 5 seconds. Draw and label a position versus time graph. Now I know this looks like a lot of information, but really all we have to do is break it down into specific time points. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw my position versus time graph, which is going to be the height, y, versus the time, t. The first critical time point is when the dog is on the ground at t equals 0. The next critical time point is going to be 4 seconds later when the dog is somewhere up in the air and the rocket engines run out of fuel. The third critical time point is going to be 2 seconds later when the dog has reached a maximum height of 25 meters. And the final time point will be 5 seconds later when the dog has safely made it back down to the ground.